Hi everyone, first up, the Honor review. Today I'm bringing you the first unboxing of the Honor Power 2 on the entire network, so let's get started.
The Power 2's packaging still clearly shows its market positioning, an offline mid to low end smartphone. This seal is a little bit basic, so I'll quickly skip the unboxing process and jump straight to the next part. Let's just set the phone aside for a moment here, and then we can take a closer look at this protective case. At first glance, this protective case actually seems quite similar to Win's case, but the very instant I got my hands on it, I realized that's not the case at all. This case, surprisingly, is a hard shell. However, it does appear to be quite flexible and durable. At first glance, it genuinely resembles a silicone case, and the charger isn't particularly large. I won't be revealing its power outputs. After that, let's proceed to examine the phone itself. Many people are saying this time it resembles the iPhone 17 Pro Max, and at first glance, the color scheme truly does appear quite similar, but upon closer inspection it is actually quite distinct. However, if you're not fond of this overly similar color scheme, the other two available color options appear very striking and fresh, and in comparison, they certainly present a very good alternative. The camera module's design, in fact, feels like it shares the same lineage as Win. 3 lenses are embedded within the camera module. However, their specific parameters are currently unknown. As for the phone's frame, it features a slight curved treatment. This time, the AI button is no longer visible. The front of the device uses a 6.79-inch 1.5K flat display. The edge lighting and R angles are excellently controlled, but the bottom R angle feels a bit thick. The moment I first picked it up, honestly, it didn't really give off that strong iPhone vibe, though the color scheme is quite similar. On the camera module, you'll see a row of golden power text. Below that, there's a flash. But between them, there's a subtle white texture, which makes the overall design feel a bit more sophisticated. The hand feel isn't quite as good as the Power 1, primarily because it uses a flat screen. The Power 1 was truly the pinnacle of Honor's recent phone designs for tactile sensation. Regarding the device's weight, let's measure it. It comes in at 220.9 grams. If we account for certain things based on official data, it should be just over 210 grams. All in all, Honor continues its trend of designing budget phones to challenge various flagships. However, this time the Power 2 has many features you're unaware of. It has broken Honor's records, truly a groundbreaking device, and it continues to impress time and again.
So that was the unboxing review of this Honor Power. Honestly, its design and styling will definitely stir up quite a bit of controversy. But to be frank, Honor actually needs this kind of buzz. After all, at this stage, Honor's product strength is genuinely impressive, but their marketing, however, has been lagging behind. After all, I won't go into too much detail about those shady dealings. All in all, if you, like me, understand its specifications, then you'll realize it's actually quite impressive. I hope the upcoming detailed review helps you all understand it better. Today's video ends here. Bye-bye.